Hi, this is Porter Thorndike with a demonstration of one of the new capabilities we're most excited about in WebFOCUS release 9.3, and that is a graphical way to build and design your WebFOCUS portals. If you're not familiar with WebFOCUS portals, they're used heavily by our customers, and they allow you to control the security of people, content, and data. And I like to say they let you prescribe the user experience to a large audience of non-technical users. And we do that by assigning menus, navigation, and security and apply it to pre-built pages that are designed to accomplish a certain task. You're looking at one right now. Now, this is a very minimalist design on this portal. You'll notice the menus and navigation are just images, right? But they could be text, they could be on the top, they could be on the bottom. And this is an example of one that is delivered to a financial advisor. And this is a dashboard showing them everything that they would need to know about their book of business. And you'll notice we've just got different types of pages here, right? Like parameterized reports to research mutual funds, the dashboard view, we've got an interactive view. It's whatever you need. But typically for our customers, it's a list of standard reports, dashboards, highly parameter-driven reports, and more. And the portal allows you to surface all that information to them in a secure way that's bulletproof. They can't get into trouble, but it's everything that they need. So in the past, we can create portals like that look like that. Unfortunately, the entire build process was not graphical. So in 9.3, we introduced a new option. It's called Create Portal. And the entire build process happens within the WebFOCUS Designer, a tool that probably all of your users and developers are already familiar with. So it's going to really reduce and lower that learning curve to creating a new portal. I'm going to give this a name. How about a fictional organization from a demo that I created years ago, Fintoso Financial. Familiar look and experience. We've got components on the left, which in this case are sections and pages, and we have access to content. So if we want to get started here, you'll notice lots of, we've got pages, sections, and settings. And you may want to adjust the width. You may not want one that fills the screen. You may want a fixed width. We're going to give you 4 themes. You could introduce your own. In terms of navigation, we've got 3 options: side, top, and a combination of the 2. The banner, many people may want to turn that banner off, or they may not want to see the title, or they may want a custom logo. They may want to assign an action to that logo when they come in. And we can control everything that's in the menu that a user would see. To get started building a portal, it's really as easy as dragging the content that you want in the portal onto the canvas. So I've got a chart that I created. I want that to be the first page. Now we can either add it as a copy or we can make a reference to it. I like the reference option because it means if that content changes by the developer, I don't have to go back in and recopy it in. So I like the link option. The default view here is a left navigation. Let's add some more pages here. I've got a product overview. I've got a sales dashboard. I've got a store summary report. I've got sales in a specific company. So drag and drop, nice and fast. Reorder it if we want. Right click, check the properties. Do we need to change the title? Do we need more information on this asset? Not a problem. If there is something that as you run it, and we can do that by turning on live preview, which is nice. If as you are doing this, you notice something's wrong, like, I really don't need 2 title bars on this. Check this out. We can right click and click edit. It actually takes you into the designer. We can make that change, as fast as that. So if the person designing the portal is also the person that maybe created the report, or they need to make a tweak to it, it's as easy as that, right within the workflow to do that. I'm going to turn off the live preview. You'll notice what's happening the whole time. It's almost like Google Docs. It is saving everything that you do automatically. Okay, so no fear of losing any changes that you make. Let's look at some of these different layout options now. As I go to navigation, we can see what that looks like on the top as well. And what is this top and side navigation for? Oh my God, look, I've designed portals with both and I love it. And we can also do multi-level navigation, which I also love. if you've got a lot of content, you want to organize it in a way. So sections is a way to add multi-level navigation, either through just on top or left or top and left. What that looks like is go to components and we drop a section in here. Okay, and we're looking at the properties. And then look what happens, if I toggle this to the left, it's going to give me this expandable option. Let's add some content, see what that looks like. How about Maine's highest sales into here? And how about the Italy revenue map into here as well? So on a side level, what we get this is collapsible option, which is great, right? We can organize and nest a lot of content. If you have a lot of content you want to expose to users, that's a great way to do it. If we were to look at the top, it's going to give you a drop down. Second level, I don't like that as much, but to each their own. What if I wanted to go crazy and have top and side level navigation? I actually like that, okay? So that's what the section will allow you to do. Let's say I move this over here. Now if I click on section 1, I get that secondary left level navigation. And of course we can just, play this and run this if we want to see what the whole thing looks like and test it out. Then we start applying and wiring in security. This has been Porter Thorndike with a demonstration of the new Portal Designer in WebFOCUS 9.3. We love it. We hope you love it as much as we do. Thank you.